Stop guessing your power needs. Our load calculator provides the precise sizing for your generator, UPS, or inverter. Appliance selection is so simple. Choose from 13 common devices like AC, refrigerator, and water pump, and the default wattage loads instantly. For custom devices, select Other Custom to manually enter the watts, then easily adjust the quantity for each item. Use the Add button to include unlimited appliances, and fine-tune your calculation using the power factor, PF, which defaults to 0.8 for home use but is fully adjustable for advanced scenarios. Hit Calculate button for instant results showing your total load in watts, kilowatts, and the exact required kVA, along with a suggested generator size. Finally, use the Reset button to clear the form or the Print button to generate a clean, professional load report. Use our calculator now and get the right power solution every time. Need assistance interpreting your results or choosing the perfect machine? Our dedicated service team is available 24/7. Get in touch with us anytime for expert consultation, custom quotes, or detailed technical support to ensure you get the absolute best power solution for your needs. Use our calculator now and get the right power every time.